So, welcome to the DP Tech. Today, in this video, I will explain you how we will compile a C sharp code without installing any of the software or tool or ID in your Windows. Without installing any of the component, uh, .NET is or C sharp program successfully compiled or run your operating system. So for that, what we need to check first of all, you have to open the command prompt, and in the command prompt you should have to check uh, CSC. If you type CSC, that and if this kind of informations appear here, that means in your operating system or in your environment variable, that .NET Framework 4.8 or .NET Framework CSC file is already configured. But in a first time, if that is not in the first time, if you are not configure anything, because as a fresher, if you work on that .NET technology, so in your system nothing is available, nothing is configured. So how your operating system will look like? Let me remove my configuration. So let me search environment. Environment, or say this one, environment variable. So in this section there is a path. Go for edit, and here you can see I already set up that path. So let me remove it. Click OK, and now click OK. Now if I open a CMD, because this is already opened, so need to close it first. Again open CMD. Now type CSC. See, CSC is not recognized. So that means at first time when you compile your first program using .NET, so that kind of a message appear in your window. So how we can set up that .NET framework in your command prompt so that you can successfully uh, compile your C sharp code. So for that we need to open, first of all you need to open the C drive. In the C drive you need to open Windows, then search for Microsoft.NET, then search for Framework 64, then search for V 4.0. In this V, you have to just check CSC. You have to find CSC. That is a compiler name, CSC. So if that CSC is available in this folder, that means that is the location that we need to copy. So simply double click, Control A, Control C. Now search for environment, go for environment variable. That path is already there. If the path is not there, then you have to click new and create the variable, environment variable with the same name. The variable name should be path, and the value, whatever the value you copy from that location, that I just copied. So that path is already there. We have to just click on new, then new space is allocated, then paste your path and just click OK. That's it. Now if already existing CMD is there, you have to close it. Again open CMD and just type CSC. If this kind of information is appear, that means now the path is working fine. C sharp .NET framework is now connected with that CMD. Now that command prompt is available or configure to compile any C sharp code. So my C sharp code is located in this folder, and the location is D drive .NET program slash demo.cs. As you can see in a tips tool, you can see .NET D drive .NET. See, so we need to go to that location. So for that we need to D drive and then go for cd change directory, we can again check .NET. Okay, .NET program, and in this .NET program there is a demo.cs. So CSC space demo.cs. Now you can see everything is compiled successfully. If there is an error occur, then after this message you will see line number, error number, and then the description about that error. But nothing is appeared. That means your program is successfully compiled. So now just run. This is the command for compilation. Now we are going to run. So after compilation, that executable file is generated. So that executable file is same name with the file source file name. The source file name is demo.cs. That means exe file is also generated demo.exe. So instead you are calling demo.exe, or simply you can call demo. So that name or refer that exe file only. So once you click, see the hello world is appear. This is a program that I already wrote for that time, because it will take some time. So for that time management, we are just writing that we already wrote this program, and this is a very pretty much a simple straightforward program. We are using a simple namespace or class or entry point. Here we can write a hello message there, so that you can see in this window. Yeah, that is a purpose of that video, so that you can understand how CISA program will compile easily without installing or configure or anything, any kind of a tool required. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for watching.